If you use TradingView for chart analysis, adding the 20 EMA can help you quickly spot trends and momentum. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply it to any chart. So make sure to subscribe for more simple TradingView guides. To begin, open TradingView and load any chart you want to analyze. This works the same for stocks, crypto, indices, or Forex. Once your chart is open, look at the top toolbar and click on the Indicators button. A search bar will appear and here you'll type Exponential Moving Average. From the list that shows up, select Moving Average Exponential under the Built-ins section. The EMA will instantly appear on your chart. Now let's adjust it to the 20 period setting. Hover over the indicator name on your chart and click the small gear icon that shows up. In the Inputs tab, change the length to 20 so the line reflects price movement over the last 20 periods. If you want the line to stand out more, you can also open the Style tab to change the color or thickness, depending on your visual preference. Once you're done, simply close the panel and your settings will be applied. And that's it. Your 20 EMA is now active and ready to help you analyze trends and potential entry or exit points. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials.